Hello, hello, hello. So today I'm about to open my package from Shipt. I finally got my Shipt welcome package. So we're gonna do an open box, open package for Shipt. Shipt is a delivery service, kind of like the Instacarts and like that, where you are a shopper and you shop for different people at different places. They have a CVS, GNC, forgive me, I'm reading, Target, Office Max, Office Depot, Bed Bath & Beyond, Bye Bye Baby, Costco, and I'm sure wealth of other places that they shop from. So I got my deal here in the mail, covered my address, and you've got swag.
Oh yeah.
Shipt. So let's see what's in the package. Let's open up my package from Shipt. Okay, so open up your package.
I saw you with the box. What was in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Let's see what we got here. Got an egg. Shipt. Oh, it's a little Benty. It's inside of my thing. Okay, and it's a Hello Shipt shopper. Blah blah blah. You'll see a welcome package about what your steps. That's pretty good. You create your own schedule, and they have a support, and they also have this deal where you can scan for your support. That seems good. And it comes with a commercial prepaid card to cover that number up, a Visa card, and it says Shipt Shopper. It doesn't have your name on it, and it has a little message from the CEO. So that's neat, kind of like the other ones that have their little card. And what else we got in the bag? What's in the bag? And what you do when you go online and sign up for them, I will tell you that at first I was put on hold. I signed up for them about 2 weeks ago. No, 3 weeks ago I signed up for them, and I was on hold. They said they had too many shoppers in my area, and after 2 weeks I finally got an email saying that there was a slot available and I was able to advance to the next step. It is, and I'm gonna tell you, I've applied for a lot of different side hustles right now, trying to get that fabulous life. And this by far is the most thorough interview process that I've been through. This one, it has a, you have to give a little minute video introducing yourself. They want to see you, they want to hear your voice. You answer a more prolonged questionnaire. Like I said, this was like having a real job, kind of like, and of course you have to sign your W-9 and all that. And then at the end, when you make it through that process and they accept you, then you pick out your size shirt. I am an XL. So it has a little Shipt on the back and Shipt on the front. Hey. So that's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. I like it. I dig it. Pretty sure they don't want me to cut the neck off and put little slits in it and be all cute. Okay, my eye makeup already matched. Hey, Shipt.
Wow.
So anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'll make another video that kind of goes over the interview process if you care to watch that. I'll do an interview when I do my first Shipt shop. But for now, I just got the package, and I know I got an email in my inbox stating that I need to watch a couple videos, which is also nice. It seems to be like some tutorial videos, how-to videos on the Shipt shop process, and I'll talk about that. But right now, this was just an open box for Shipt. So Shipt, I promise to do you proud. So this is your girl Fabulous signing off.